for 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 reprimanding Teacher Gina Sejo and Jeffrey Asejo and Jima Casandil and Paulo Cruzada. That is a wonderful you reprimand them because for them do not promote terrorism. That is really a good thing with you say. Oh, for me, last year I would never be happen again. It would never be happen again. Just like I said, anyway, that Paulo Cruzada, when I was told by Denzel Joshua you were being scolded by Teacher May Tiburcio. Because I know you were being scolded. Not only Teacher May was scolded, your parents is scolded at you. This is my Christmas wish to Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Jima Casandil. 4 of you should never use Facebook. Teacher Gina Asejo, I know you're a SPED teacher in CDIFI. Do not promote ISIS, alright? Do not recruit Wawel Romero and Best Pills Arnel Guerrera Castillo as themselves ISIS. Wawel is a born-again Christian, and Arnel Guerrera Castillo, the friend of Felix Bines, he was also a Catholic. Do not recruit them as ISIS. Like I was told by Jerick Silva last year when he make a joke of what he just said before, kain tayo ng lechon belly. Oh, we can eat lechon belly. If you say it is pork, do not idolize at ISIS. My Christmas wish anyway to Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Jima Casandil, the fake uncle of Paula Nunez. Do not promote ISIS. ISIS anyway is a Salafist. It's a Sunni. Yeah, if I remember, I was told by Jerick Silva, it is a Salafism. In Cotabato, like Bangsamoro Islamic Freedom Fighters are Salafist. Abu Sayyaf are Salafist. Maute Group are Salafist. They are Salafist, but the Moro National Liberation Front is also Moro nationalism. They are nationalism founded by Nur Miswari. Do not idolize terrorism. For me, I don't like ISIS. I don't like terrorism. That. Just wanna say for Jima Casandil, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asejo, and Jeffrey Asejo. Look at my former friend Franco Morales. He doesn't like terrorism. Franco Morales is against terrorism. He doesn't promote terrorism. Even Manuel Luis Antonio, he doesn't promote terrorism. Both of them are not promoting terrorism. Me, I'm not promoting terrorism. For example, I know I tell the whole story from Denzel Joshua. I'm the one who make a fake account of Larry Chuanico. I attack David Gill and his family. I promote terrorism just because I never listened to Roydan. Because I know Roydan Marlang, he was a friend of Denzel Joshua. I never listened to him. I failed to listen to him. I misunderstand with him. That's why I say to Paulo Cruzada, you have to listen to your parents. Or not only your parents, you have to listen to everyone. You have to listen to Bruce Altavas. You have to listen to Marco, Prince Jake Manipol, the friend of Ronald Ribena. You have to listen to Ralph Guevara. You have to listen to Wawel Romero. and Jens Manaid and Ate Charmaine Aloyan, you have to listen to them. Including you, Jima Casandil, you have to listen to Paula. You should never promote terrorism. Even Gina Sejo and Jeffrey Asejo do not promote terrorism, both of you. That is my Christmas wish to them. Do not promote terrorism. You know that ISIS is the enemy of the Shia Muslims, enemy of the Christian. It's not about social media. It's about radicalism. It's an enemy. I don't want to be happen to David Gill. I don't want to be happen to Mrs. Annie Gill. I don't want to be happen to anyone. I don't want to be happen. But first of all, Gina Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, you have to listen to your eldest son, Kyle Asejo, and your daughter, Cressa Asejo, even your husband, Mr. Asejo, of course. Gina Asejo, teacher Gina Asejo, I know you're a SPED teacher in CDIFI. You have to listen. You have to listen to teacher Marisa. You have to listen to teacher Riza. Oh, you have to listen to them. Even my arch enemy, teacher May Tiburcio, you have to listen. Oh, have you never heard when I say in the current events, during the Marawi siege, during the time of Rodrigo Duterte, he defeated the ISIS in the Philippines. He liberated the Marawi. He brutal and killed Omar Maute and Itzelon Apilon. They were killed. Oh, like I said before, like me and John Mendoza, we're making a joke. John Mendoza says ISIS, so he's making a joke. He's not making seriously things that he never promote terrorism in Messenger or Facebook. We always make a joke with John Mendoza impersonal. I'm not promoting terrorism. Oh, we are not. Me, I never promote terrorism. While John Mendoza is not promoting terrorism, he's not really promoting terrorism. But for four of you, do not promote terrorism. This is my Christmas warning to them. Like I said before, when you read in Wikipedia, there's a persecution of Christians, there's a persecution of Shia Muslims in Iraq as well. That ISIS is the enemy of the Christian, enemy of the Shia Muslim. Oh, this is what it is really true was. When I never tell that to Kuya Bear, it is really true. Oh, it is really true. Do not promote terrorism. Alright? You know that. Just like I said, look at Dion. That was the son of Ate Dayan. He never promote terrorism. What was Dion do? Oh, always taking care of his cat. Oh, not promote terrorism. Terrorism should never be promoted in social media like Facebook and Messenger. Oh, it's not a fight. Oh, it's not argument. That is a warning to Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Jima Casandil. Do not promote terrorism. Last year, all of you say about what would you say in Tagalog? What was Paulo Cruzada said? Ako ang ISIS ng bayan. Even Gina Asejo says, ako ang ISIS. ISIS is Islamic State of Iraq. It's a terrorist group. Oh, they spreaded the chaos. They spread the radicalism. I do not promote terrorism. And now, what really happened to Joseph Maspinas? He was very depressed because of all of you. He was being depressed. He was victim of cyberbullying. This could not be happen to Eman Atienza. Oh, this could not be happen to Eman Atienza. Just like what happened if that she was commit suicide. This could not be happen to Joseph Maspinas. I know Joseph Maspinas. He was a friend of Jeric Silva. Even Sophia Ahmad Sultan, who was a classmate of Jeric Silva. I know Jeric. He was my good friend. He doesn't like terrorism. But Joseph Maspinas was affected because of Paulo Cruzada. And some of his friends in Spedmotics, they saying, what was Jeric Silva said? Jeric Silva said, ganyan talaga si Paulo Cruzada, what he said before, naapektuhan ang pag-aaral ni Joseph Maspinas. So what he just said, he never knew that he was affected. I'm not promoting terrorism. You know, for Mr. Cruzada, Kulas Cruzada, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, you need to reprimand your son. And you know, your son is promoting terrorism. How would you ever that your son is promoting terrorism, that he is saying ISIS? You know, just like what happened to me, I made a fake account of Larry Chuanico. I attacked the Santa Maria del Estrada. And I bullied David Gill and his family. And I attacked the church. And I was sued by David Gill and his family. Do you want to be really happen to yourself, Paulo Cruzada? If Joseph Maspinas, if he gets sued, even his uncle will go to Metro Manila that he will go to sue against you. Pag napunta ang tito ni Joseph Maspinas, makakasuhan ka, Paulo Cruzada. You know, you will be sued by cyber libel. And he will talk to you in barangay. You know, Paulo Cruzada, I'm not picking here with the fight. I'm not picking you a fight just because you're promoting terrorism. That your imbecile words, and even you're promoting terrorism. ISIS is an enemy of the world. ISIS is the enemy of the Shia Muslim. Is the enemy of the Christian. It's an enemy of the world. I'm not picking a fight on social media. I just describe it. That ISIS is the enemy of the world. They are terrorists. That's what I said. That terrorism is not a knowledge. Alright? It's not a knowledge. And then you say that, you say, Paulo Cruzada, ako ang ISIS ng bayan. You know, ISIS is a criminal. Look at what happened to the German hostage. He was kidnapped by Abu Sayyaf. He was beheaded because of those imbecile ISIS who were Abu Sayyafs. Do you want to be like this, Paulo Cruzada? Do you know what happened there in Marawi? Do you remember what happened there? In 2017? Do you remember what happened in Mindanao State University in Marawi? There was a bombing because of the ISIS and Maute. Paulo Cruzada, ISIS is a terrorist group. Do not idolize ISIS. Alright? Do not idolize that group. Do not idolize that threat. you know, um, you know, just like my, last 2015, when Stepan Pimentel was scolded by Teacher May, my arch enemy, what does Stepan Pimentel says? Oh, he stopped praising ISIS. Oh, when Stepan said that before, I am an ISIS. Oh, and that Buddy and I, we react. And what we just said before, and Buddy says to me, just like he said, that Stepan Pimentel should stop praising ISIS. You need to tell Teacher May he needs to stop. Oh, Teacher May scolded Stepan Pimentel, not my arch enemy, Teacher May. Oh, he scolded Stepan Pimentel, and he scolded Stepan Pimentel that he is not promoting terrorism. Remember, Paulo Cruzada, that ISIS was founded by Israel and Spain and Saudi Arabia. ISIS is a Salafist. Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Jim Macasandil. Do you know what happened there in Iraq when I watched Mosul in the movie, in Netflix, in the Arabic film? The Iraqi Special Forces are fighting against ISIS. Have you never watched, for example, in Sicario movie? That was Sicario 2, The Day of Soldado. The one of the Special Forces team in the US. They are fighting against ISIS. They're fighting against Mexican cartels. They're fighting. Remember, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Jim Macasandil, that ISIS is a terrorist group. That's why, Denzel is warning to all of you. He warned all of you. He gave us a warning to all of you. They warned all of you to stop promoting terrorism. I'm not promoting terrorism. Huh? I'm not promoting. Like, for example, you remember Teacher Joy? Oh, Teacher Joy is against terrorism. Oh, she's not promoting terrorism, but she is fighting against terrorism. Even Jens Manaid, even his family members, they're not promoting terrorism. They're against terrorism because I know Jens, he doesn't like terrorism. That's why, Paulo Cruzada, that Jens Manaid that already unfriended you in Facebook, even Sir Paulo Cuwa unfriended you in Facebook, because both of them unfriended you because they don't like terrorism. And Ate Vicky and also Kuya Alan Manaid that said to me, you need to lecture Paulo Cruzada. Turuan yan si Paulo Cruzada ng leksyon. That's what they said to me. You need to learn that lesson that Paulo Cruzada should never promote terrorism. And I'm not promoting terrorism, just to know that ISIS is a radicalism. I do not promote terrorism. Oh, I do not promote. Like me, I never comment about what happened there in Bondi Beach. Oh, I just read it, I just watch the video, what really happened. It is very awful. Just to know about the anti-Semitism, that they are killing hundreds of Jewish. I know I'm a Judaism. I know that is really happened. I know that ISIS is the enemy of the Christians, Shia Muslims, and Judaism.